In this video I'm going to show you how I fixed my washing machine. So this morning it decided to stop and it came up with this error code. So we can see that's 1000010. And when you correlate those to the error code numbers, it is 128 plus 2, which equals 130. And when I looked up the Fisher & Paykel manual, it said it was something to do with the rotor sensor. So I disconnected my washing machine, turned it upside down, then removed the rotor cover with some vice grips, that plastic nut there. It's quite a few turns to get it off, like at least 20, and you've got to pull on the rotor cover to bring it, to separate it from the actual rotor. And there's another photo of it. And then once you've got that off, you can see there's these 4 bolts, and you undo those. And once that's off, you can flip it over and you can see the rotor sensor there and these other power connectors here. So I disconnected that rotor sensor. It's just clipped in. There's a couple of clips up the top and you just pull it off. Oh, actually, firstly I disconnected all the wires so it was separated. Then you can see here it's a bit rusty and dirty. So I reckon that was the problem. So I got my screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and just scraped them sort of coming towards myself to get the rough bits off, and then I washed it. And you can see it's not great, but it's actually way better than it was. And then I put the rotor sensor back on. You line it up with these arrows here. And then I put the whole thing back together and it worked. And here's a video that proves it. So that's how you fix a Fisher & Paykel washing machine with error code 130. Why didn't that work?